Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please hit that subscribe button. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I save coins by doing my own nails. So today I'm going to be using gel, and this is my gel collection, and I love all the gels apart from that MK gel, which is the worst, like a total waste of money, guys. So today's video, I'm going to be using these three. I have the base coat, the color, and the top coat. I also have this buffer which I'll be using on this video, and then I also have this UV LED nail lamp, and it's actually detachable, and this is how it looks. So let me take it back, and this is now where you connect your charger, your power cable. So you connect it here, and then this is where you now connect it to the source of power, and you have all these options. You can choose low mode, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and 10 seconds. And these are my nails. Oh my god, they're looking so bad. Like, my nails are looking so bad, but in a matter of seconds, actually in a matter of minutes, they'll be looking really nice. So guys, a disclaimer, I'm not a nail technician. I'm just sharing with you how I do my own nails at home to save coins, because we need to save those coins. So this is how I save coins, by doing my own nails, and they turn out to be looking so beautiful. I love the way they turn out to be looking, especially today's ones. Oh my god, I'm so in love with them. So I first go in with this buffer and buff my nail, remove the natural shyness so that the gel can have somewhere to grip on. And also, I previously had gel on, and the way I just removed it, oh my god, I don't even want to tell you, because I did something bad. I did something terrible with how I just removed it. So I'm just buffing my nails right now. I feel like this process is so boring, but it's really necessary. I can't just jump straight into actually applying the gel on, so I have to do this. So let me just be patient with this one. I'm going to make it as fast as possible. I'm not going to include a lot of these. So yeah, I'm just going to make it as short as possible. As long as you see what I'm actually doing, yeah, I'm going to make it short. So this is how my nails are actually looking so far. So let me now go ahead and apply the gel on, and I went in and cleaned the nails a second time, because I noticed like I have some whiteness around there. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this Blue Sky base coat. Yes guys, so I'm going to apply this base coat on all my nails, my fingernails. So the base coat basically helps with helping the color that you're going to use have somewhere to grip on. Yes, so you first have to apply the base coat before you even apply the color of your choice. Filming this is a little bit hard. I don't know how to give you good angles and still like do a clean application. So be patient with me, please be patient with me. I'm trying, but I'll definitely show you everything. So just stick around, don't go anywhere. And in case you've not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge. You won't get charged anything, and help me get to 4,000 subscribers. I'm on the road to 4,000 subscribers, and I know soon and very soon we'll get there. So continue watching and don't go anywhere. Don't skip the ads. Watch all the ads, guys. Please watch all the ads. So this is what I have so far. So I'm just continuing with applying the base coat. So I only have 2 fingers left. And I'm almost done. I'm actually done now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this UV to 60 seconds. Yes. And then just put my hand in there. So I gave it the first 60 seconds and then another 60 seconds, and it was already ready. So this is how it's looking. So if you touch it, it's a little bit tacky, and that just helps with holding the color. So the color I'm using is this one. It's also from Blue Sky. Let me tell you, like, Blue Sky gels have the best gel polish, like the original one. So this is how the color is looking. I'm going to apply this gel on all my fingernails. So I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to do the same thing that I used with the base coat. So start from the cuticles going all the way to the tip of my nails. And I don't have long nails. Like, I've come to love having short nails. Like, I'm used to when I'm doing my nails, like, I add extensions, but I've come to love doing like my own nails, my own natural nails, especially with this color. Oh my god, I'm loving it so much. Right now I'm just doing my first coat. So after that, back to the UV for 60 seconds or 1 minute. And this is what we have so far. So the color is looking very light. So I'm going to do the second coat, and this is what I do with the applicator. Just remove the excess, and this is how I do it. I just remain with almost nothing at the applicator. And let me now apply the second coat. Me tell you guys, kitambo I never used like to remove the excess gel on the applicator. And what would happen is the gel would be looking so thick, like my fingers would be looking very, very thick. The consistency was not the same. So I learned that you have to remove the excess first, and then don't go in very, very heavy. Just be very light-handed and start from the cuticles going all the way to the tip. And that has changed the way I normally do my nails, which like right now the consistency is just the same everywhere, and I really, really love it. So this is what I have so far. I didn't want them to be very thick, so I just wanted to leave them like that. I know they look so light, like the color doesn't look heavy, and that's what I want. Like, oh my god, I'm even looking at my nails right now, and let me tell you, they're looking so, so beautiful. Like, oh, amazingly beautiful. So I'm just going in very, very lightly, very light-handed. And after that, it's now time to get it back to the UV for 60 seconds, which is equivalent to 1 minute. And this is what we have so far. And then after that, now I'm going on top with this Roniki top coat gel. This Roniki top coat, I got it at 500 bob. I can say like Roniki also has nice gels. Like I have 2 gels from Roniki. I have a pink one, and I also have this top coat. So for the Roniki pink shade, it's very, very light. Like it's extremely light. You have to apply like 3 coats for you to see like them looking nice. Yes, but it's a really nice one. It's a really nice one. But you can't compare Roniki to what do we call it? You can't compare Roniki to Blue Sky. Like Blue Sky is the real deal. Oh my god, I love Blue Sky. So I'm going on top with this Roniki top coat, and this is just to make my nails look shiny. But for the top coat, it's just looking amazing. Like the top coat just does its work. It does what it's supposed to do. So for the top coat, it's just perfect from Roniki because it's affordable. Because the Blue Sky goes for 850 to 1,000 bob, depending on where you buy from. So I'm just applying this top coat, make my nails look shiny and also waterproof. Well, this is what we have so far. So it's now UV LED nail lamp time. So I'm going to put it in there for 60 seconds and another 60 seconds, which is just 2 minutes. And this is what we have. This is the results. So in case I wanted it to look like the color to pop more, I would have gone with another coat. But let me tell you, like how it's looking right now, me, I'm in love with it, considering the fact that I'm using a lot of light. Like there is a lot of light. So this is with a natural light. This is me going to work. Oh my god, I was showing off these nails because oh my god, why not? They're looking so, so beautiful. So this is the final look, guys. Tell me in the comment section, how are they looking? Would you have gone back with another coat? Because as for me, I'm loving it the way it is, but for next time I'm going in with 3 layers because I think I'm going to also use this color again because I'm in love with it. It's so beautiful. So subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.